Hello patrons, this is Dr. Mamta Yadav welcoming you all once again. Now today's session will be a little different from my last sessions. Why? Because today I'm gonna fulfill many of your wishes. So post my last video, lot of people have requested me for some special session. That is that you all it includes my near and dear ones also. So what you all want, that you all want one immunity booster health drink, and you want all me to show you how to make it. So yeah, today I have decided I'll fulfill this wish definitely, because it's in need of an hour also. You need such immunity health drinks. So today I'll be demonstrating one of my best immunity health drink, which also comes from my family tradition. So I'll just start with that for you. But before starting, let me just tell you that everybody of us telling immunity, but do you know what is this immunity? So what is this immunity? Immunity is the ability of an organism or of a body to resist any infections or toxins. इम्यूनिटी मतलब आपकी आत्मरक्षक शक्ति, जो किसी भी टॉक्सिन्स या फिर इन्फेक्शन से फाइट बैक करने के लिए और आपको हेल्दी रखने के लिए काम में आती है. इसलिए इस बीच में सबसे ज़्यादा हो रहा है कि इम्यूनिटी को अपने बूस्ट करिए, इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मेनी ऑफ पीपल हैव रिक्वेस्टेड टू शो सम इम्यूनिटी हेल्थ ड्रिंक्स. So yes, for you, I'm there in my kitchen today. So I'll be showing you, I'll be demonstrating how to go ahead with that immunity health booster. I'm taking even help of Ayush guidelines which they have given. So according to Ayush, there are 4 main ingredients: tulsi patta, turmeric, kali mirch and cinnamon. ये आपको all this you have to coarsely powder it, and you can make a tea bag also and you can use it daily like in your tea. But today I'll be showing little different, which comes from my family background, plus it has the Ayush touch also. So yes, let's start. Let's begin with the ingredients first. Here is the ingredients, please come. So here are the ingredients for you. Let me start with black pepper. So 4 to 5 black pepper coarsely crushed. I'm not crushing it because I have this crusher with me. 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm taking this good jaggery, 1 glass of water, turmeric powder definitely, which is must, honey, tulsi ka patta, 1 inch of ginger, and lemon and lime, whichever you like it, you can take it. So let's start the procedure. I'll start with first lightening of my gas. Okay, I put 1 vessel. Now I am putting 1 glass of water in this. Let the water come to boiling point. Till the time the water is boiling, I am just taking the cinnamon and I am coarsely powdering it. So if you can see, very well coarsely powdered it is done. So I am keeping it back over here. Now I am taking ginger, 1 inch of ginger, and I am again coarsing it. I am removing it, and now I am taking the tulsi ka patta. You can see tulsi leaf. So I have made this also into fine powder, the basil powder, tulsi powder, tulsi patta. So now if you can see, my water has come to a boiling point. So I'll be adding first the cosely powder, this tulsi, basil leaves, tulsi leaves in it. Okay, now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you have the turmeric, that gaant ka, you can say gaant haldi, that is also well and good. If you don't, then this powder you can use it. Now I'm adding the cinnamon powder, which is coarsely crushed. Post which I'm adding ginger. Finally, 4 to 5 crushed black pepper. कुटी हुई काली मिर्च भी डाल दिया. Now mix it well. Finally, here it goes our jaggery, that is gur. Now boil it well, all the ingredients. Now you can see the mixture is very well mixed. It has come to boiling point and we are done with this. And I am taking it. You can just सारे मिश्रण को आप छान लीजिए अच्छे से. छानने के बाद अब आप इसमें लेमन ऐड कर दीजिए अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से. Mix it well. Now, as you can see, our mixture of immunity health booster is ready. So the final touch is this honey. Add little pinch of honey in all the bowls, in all the glasses. And the immunity booster, the drink. Wow, it's so happening. Done. Now you can enjoy your immunity shots. Now above all this immunity health booster drink, you also need to take care of your diet and regime. I'm again reinforcing on your diet and regime because all these things also plays a major role in these kinds of influenza and flu like COVID-19 situation. Yes, this immunity health booster which I have showed you, definitely it's good because it's a family tradition. We also make in it's rainy season and winter season, it's must. But apart from this also your diet and your regime, what comes again, I post in my last video also I have explained you, but again I am reinforcing it. Vitamin C diet, which is must in influenza like COVID-19. You can take it, a lot of things again, capsicum, tomato, banana, almonds, all these things which is good, turmeric, all these things which is rich in vitamin C. Please consume it. Take lot of vegetables, lot of fruits in your, include lot of fruits, lot of vegetables, green vegetables. Drink a lot of water. Include lot of water in your diet. At least 3 liters of water. Take high rich protein diet, because protein is very helpful, to generate your tissues, to maintain your tissues, as vitamin C directly works on your immunity. It improves your immunity. That was likewise, high rich protein diet also works with your tissues. Protein rich diet in your in your food. What are protein rich? You get it at home also. The best is your dals, arhar ki dal and all that dals. You can include paneer in your diet. So a lot of people are taking paneer also. So it's all good. Soya beans, rajma, it's all included in your diet. Take proper rest. 7 to 8 hours of rest is must. You need to follow your regime, that is exercise, meditation, yoga. Please follow it, So this also comes in picture when you talk about health, immunity. So immunity, yes, definitely I've showed one of your immunity boosting health drink, but you need to also take care of your diet and regime. So yeah, I'm done for the today. We'll see you again in my next sessions, next video. Till time, take care, stay healthy, stay safe. This is Dr. Mamta Yadav signing off. Bye-bye. Soothing.